Ladies and gentlemen, what if I told you that all the doors to this room have been locked? Nobody can leave for 1 month. There are no windows, no lights, and no clocks. We have no idea what time of day it is outside. We are all part of an experiment to explore our inner clocks, which scientists call circadian rhythms. Now, circadian is Latin for about a day, and every living thing, from bacteria to humans, have a network of tiny biological clocks that tick and tock in 24-hour cycles. Our sleeping, our body temperature, hormones, even our physical strength occur in predictable daily rhythms. In fact, most of the Olympic world records have been broken in the evening, the time in our circadian clocks where we are at our peak physical fitness. And when we are at our peak physical fitness. And all of these clocks can be reset. So we do this by light. But in a dark room like this, we will follow these daily rhythms religiously. Even a morning glory plant will open and close its leaves in the dark. So we have evolved to rise with the sun. And how does this work? Well, in the morning, when photoreceptors in our eyes detect light, they send signals to a small group of cells in our brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. Smaller than a pea, this is our master clock, and it puts all of the other clocks in sync. So we are all in sync for morning time. Our sleep hormone melatonin goes down, our body temperature and heart rate goes up. We are reset for the day. However, the 20th century brought the dawn of artificial light. Artificial light is wreaking havoc with our body clocks and our health. Artificial light is causing our days to become longer, and we are trying to cram more and more things into our lives, when in fact this could be shortening them. So, think of a nurse on her 3rd night shift in a row. She is fighting the clock in order to protect our health. Fighting the clock like this is putting her at risk of diseases like depression, insomnia, and diabetes. And scientists have found that we can actually use this clock in a good way. We can choose the time of day in our circadian clock that medicines work. And arthritis is the best example for this. Patients with arthritis are best treated at nighttime for their inflammation and their pains in the morning. So ladies and gentlemen, when I unlock the doors to this room and you all frolic off into the sunlight, remember, forget the lights, forget your watch, just listen to the tick-tock of your inner circadian clock.
Well done, Aoife.